Hello everyone, welcome back. Here's vanAmsen's, and today we embark on yet another live coding voyage. Today we have a juicy problem that's all about finding what's missing. So intriguing. We are diving into LeetCode number 268, missing number. So the task is deceptively simple. So given an array of distinct numbers from 0 to n, we need to find the missing number, but here is the catch. We are aiming for O(n) time complexity and O(1) space complexity. Challenge accepted. At first glance, this might seem like a straightforward problem, but remember, we have those complexity constraints. So, no sorting or using extra space. But fear not, XOR comes to our rescue. So, a quick recap on XOR. So, any number XORed with itself gives 0. So, and any number XORed with 0 remains unchanged. Armed with this knowledge, we can guess our approach. So, we will XOR all indices and numbers in our list since every number from 0 to n is present except 1, and all pairs with will cancel out, leaving behind, you guess it, the missing number. So let's implement it. So XOR result will be len nums, and for I num in enumerate nums, and XOR result will be XOR I num, and return XOR result. So as simple as this. Let's run it to verify it's working. So yep, all work perfectly for this test case. Let's run it for unseen test cases as well. So it's running. Yeah. And we have successfully completed, and we beat 70% with respect to runtime, so all good, and 49 with respect to memory. And we start by setting our XOR result to length of the list as we loop through. And we XOR each index and number. And this cascading XOR will ensure that all number except our missing one cancel out. And voila, our solution worked like a charm, efficiently pinpointing the missing number. And the best part, we have adhered to our time and space constraint. So there you have it, a simple, efficient, and elegant solution for those coding in other programming languages. Don't worry, I have your solution and implementation in Rust, Go, C++, and much more in the description below. And if you enjoyed this XOR magic and want to explore more coding wonder, hit the like button and subscribe, and drop your thoughts or question in the comment section below. And let's keep the coding conversation alive. And until next time, keep practicing and happy coding.